It was actually a sales manager by the name of Don Lehman that persuaded me to go into sales, because at the time I was on the road selling parts for 7 years. And he said, with your knowledge of the parts business, you should go into sales. So he introduced me into the sales in 1969. I'm Ed Marud. I've been in the car business for 56 years. I'm a product specialist. Born and raised in Shelburne, Saskatchewan, and moved into the city of Prince Albert in 1960 and started in the car business that same year. Always with a Ford dealer and always in the city of Prince Albert. When I first started in the business, and some of the older people out there would remember this, that they had to change their oil every 1,000 miles. They had to change their spark plugs every 5,000 miles. Now it's 160,000 kilometers and the oil changes are 8,000 kilometers. So how it's changed is drastically, and there's more technology. The cars are, I would have to say, they're built a lot better. And when you focus in on the salaries that people are making nowadays, it costs less out of their pocket to own a new car than what it did back in '69 because of the salary differentiation. My favorite part would be meeting people and making sure that their needs are met. And that's what really creates your repeat business, is looking after people, not only at the sale, but after the sale, as far as parts are concerned or service is concerned. I would have to say that since I started selling vehicles, I'm probably up over 12,000 units. And a lot of that has been repeat business, and not only from the start, but then the children, and then the grandchildren, and the great-grandchildren. I've had people that are great-grandchildren buy vehicles from me from when I started in '69. Their parents kept on, go see Ed, go see Ed. I like to keep up to the sports, both on TV and watching it live. And also I do some gardening and some flowers. My wife that passed on sort of left a great big huge flower bed for me to look after, so I enjoy that. First car I sold was a 1967 Chevy Impala, two-door, black in color. It was 2 years old. I sold it. First car that I sold was in '69. February the 2nd to be exact.